Hi, my SLM family. So today I'll be traveling to Jamaica and I'll be taking you guys along with me on the journey. I'll be visiting my dream house site and I'll show you an update. So this is my hand luggage. I have a pulley and a backpack. That's it. So I'm heading to the dream house. Guys, welcome to Norman Manley International Airport. So guys, this is another video of building my dream house. I'm about to show fence posts look like that's the light. I have 4 meters. So I'm gonna be having like 4 sections. That's the fence, perimeter fence. And it's a lot of bush, but don't worry, it's like construction site and there's a lot of rain. So rain is falling, so I'm gonna take you all the way around. And that's the fence. This column is still need to get done. That one is halfway. I'm gonna bring the fence about another block height or 2, so it's not completely finished. Okay, so I'm just taking you around to see. This is also out. Now let me focus on the fence. I'll go around. This is actually a part of, around here is not so bad with the bush. So this is also a part of the fence. Some black hole is filled. And some is still, some parts of this fence is also rough cast on the inside. That part is rough cast on the inside. And this, if you notice right there, is a little bit higher than that side. So I'm gonna go up more with that. That is also a bush right there. A hoping lot. No one building there as yet. So I'm gonna have to build up the fence just for security reason. I'm gonna go up a few more block height. Okay, and as I noticed, some black hole, it's like they fill every other black hole. I don't know if that's the thing, but as you can see, some black hole is filled and some is not. But it's fenced, so as long as it is durable and every other black hole, that should be okay. That should be fine. So the fence go all the way down. All the way down, all the way down. And that's the fence. Is a lot of fence. I'm gonna go over here to show you. Oh guys, I'm gonna show you where the pit is. This is also a manhole. And I think the pit is right here. I'm not sure. There's a lot of bush, so it's hard to tell, but the pit is somewhere here. There's a lot of bush and a lot of rocks to get cleared. I think the pit, I'm standing on the pit right here. Okay. So that is, that's the fence. I try to build a fence all the way around. And I'm gonna go out here and show you guys. This right here is where I'm planning to build like a walk-through gate, and right there at the bigger open, I'm planning to build an automatic gate. And like I said, this is a fence going all the way around. It's a lot of fence And you look, see, go all the way around, and all the way this side. So this is the progress on the fencing. And as I say, don't watch the bushes. That will eventually get taken care of, and that's the back, it go all the way around. So that is it for the fence. And like I say, right now I have 2 meter on, and 2 meter is currently up. Maybe this one is temporary, or it's maybe still working. So I have 2 meter working, and those other two is for the upstairs, but these 2 is for the downstairs. And like I said, those are the steel that I'm gonna be using to do the roof. And these ballasts are just recently installed. So we're coming along liquor by liquor. You know, you have to work based on how you get the money. You would love to see everything done one time, but the money, how you get it, you do a liquor by liquor at a time. One day it must finish, right? Still have some material, some gravel. Yes, so this is it. To God be the glory.